Last year I gifted a towel warmer and I had great response from it. This year I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to gift this VEVOR towel warmer. This is the box that it comes in. It looks really big, but it's an empty towel warmer, so it's really not that heavy. But let's open it up and take a look at it. It's in styrofoam. Then it's in a giant bag. It looks like I can just pick it up with the bag. Then when we take that bag off of there, there's a bag on the lid as well. You can see inside that this must be a warmer coming up through the center. It's got some buttons on the front here, instruction manual. We've got a 3-prong outlet, probably a 8-foot cord. The handle on the top has this wood grain look to it. There's a vent underneath, vents on the sides here. Again, kind of wood grain feet underneath. Once it's plugged in, you turn it on by holding the power button in, of course, and it's going to default to the 60-minute cycle, but you can run it through 20, 40, 60, and 90 minutes. You can have it high or low. And the buttons light up there to let you know if it's on high or low. It'll heat up immediately within 1 minute and then gradually raise the rest of the way for the next 7 minutes. And it'll stay on, in this case, for 90 minutes. This large one holds a lot of towels. It'll keep them warm. And you keep this in the bathroom and now you've got them available to you as soon as you come out of the shower or the tub. Great gift idea. Hope this helps.